Hello, and welcome to Loubby AI. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use the schedule page, where you manage your calendar and create meetings with candidates. This feature helps you stay organized and makes interview scheduling simple and efficient. On the schedule page, there are two ways to create events. My Calendar. Create events manually. Scheduling link. Let events be booked automatically by candidates. To create an event manually, click the Create Event button and choose Manual Schedule. Alternatively, you can click directly on a time slot in the calendar. Here, you'll fill in event details. Duration. Default is 30 minutes. Options range from 15 to 60 minutes. Date and time. Choose from the calendar. Invite candidates by searching their name or email. They'll receive an email notification. Add a video link either by pasting your own or generating one with Loubby AI. When you're done, click Add Event, and it will appear on your calendar. This manual method gives you full control over each meeting. Click on an event to view details such as time, date, meeting link, and attendees. Quick edits make managing your calendar flexible and stress-free. To let candidates book their own slots, use the scheduling link. Click Create Event, Scheduling link. Then set duration of the meeting, availability window, e.g. September 1st, September 5th. Meeting link if needed. Repeat days, e.g. weekdays. Optional additional information. Click Create Schedule. A unique scheduling link is generated. You can copy, edit, delete, or deactivate the link anytime. This option is perfect for saving time and avoiding back and forth communication. When a candidate clicks the scheduling link, they see event details, company name, image, time and location, available dates and times to choose from. They select a date and time, enter their personal details, and can even attach files. Once confirmed, the event is automatically added to your calendar. This creates a seamless, professional experience for candidates while keeping your calendar updated in real time. And that's how the scheduling page works on Loubby AI. It gives you the flexibility to manage your time manually or automatically, making interview scheduling effortless. Thank you for watching.